Hi friends, I'm Yumu from happygo.com, your one-stop destination to buy premium quality audio gears. Today I'm going to unbox a new Bluetooth connector cable from Fiio. The name is LC-BT2 and I also will share my initial impressions. The Fiio LC-BT2 is a netbank style Bluetooth cable. It is powered by a flagship Bluetooth chip from the Qualcomm. It supports Bluetooth 5th version and all the latest high-res Bluetooth codes here. Fiio claimed the netbank to last up to 24 hours of the usage and 350 hours of standby time. It looks like a headphone case, but it has been thinner down for this neckband Bluetooth cable. So let's open this zipper case, and here we have our neckband. It looks well built. It comes in two variants, MMCX and 782 pin connectors. Here I have brought the 2-pin variants as I have planned to use it with my so many 2-pin earphones. Apart from this, I got the USB Type-C charging cable and a user guide. Here it is in Chinese and English two language. The Fiio LC-BT2 build is very good. It got a flexible netbank style design. See, I flex it so much, but it returns its original shape back in an instant. It is a skin-friendly, provides resistance to oil and sweat. It's made of silicone material. The neckband have 4 buttons at the left side. Buttons have power on off key, volume key, and play pause key. These come near to our neck and will be easy to operate when we are wearing it. Fiio has really upped their game since the LC-BT1. The LC-BT1 has got a simple Bluetooth cable design. It is not as flexible as the BT2, and the BT1 only supports some Bluetooth codes, but the BT2 supports high-res formats like IDC and more. The connector looks strong and sturdy. It is exactly same connector with Fiio earphone FH1X. So it could pair with this earphone. Let's try other 2-pin earphones you might have. Now let's pair the neckband with my player. Power on first. Then here. Okay. Yeah, this is because I already paired this earphone with my phone before, so we have to repair it here until it's been like this, and then we pair it again. Okay, it's okay now. I want to tell you, with this cable, the original sound signature of the earphone will be changed a little because this cable is a kind of bass emphasis. The earphone is being powered easily because the neckband has an independent DAC AK4431, so the sound output is very clear and free from background noise. The neckband provides a wider Bluetooth connectivity range For testing purpose, I kept my source device, my phone, on my desk while I wandered around the office, and there was no signal loss or lag while enjoying my music. I have tested watching movie video songs on my phone with this cable, and there is no lag of any kind. It offers very good performance. Being an audiophile, I have faced issues while commuting. While going to morning jog, handling the wires was always an issue, even while I am at office. And the previous released Bluetooth wire doesn't provide that good sound quality or connection quality, but with this cable, I can easily go on my morning jog commute. It is easy in public transport and wandering around my office without any wire tangling issues. I can even attend phone calls with my cell phone kept at my desk or in my pocket. This cable comes with an inbuilt DAC and a flagship level Bluetooth chip, making it one of the best aftermarket Bluetooth cable available in the market right now. You can get this cable from our